Alright. Ooh. There we go. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is John. I'm the one and only host of the Riders Balls YouTube channel, and this is my very first vlog, Motovlog. So topic of today's video is, well, there are multiple ones, so the topics of today's video are what the goal is for this channel and also what bike I am riding. So the plan for this channel, I've been doing a lot of review type videos in the past, and those videos were about material things. And yeah, sure, that's one thing I want to do. I want to help people, but regarding motorcycles. But I really want to show people what it is like to ride a motorcycle and what it's like to live the lifestyle. I also want to get more people into riding, and of course, doing review videos is not the way to do that. So that is why I am starting this vlogging thing. I'm gonna go first. There we go. So that is the goal for this channel. And let's first get into this road. And as you can probably tell by my accent, my native language is not English, it is Dutch. So another thing that I want to do is reach an audience that is large, so that's why I am speaking English. But I also want to reach an audience that is a little closer to home, so Flanders and Holland. So I'm probably gonna do 50% of my vlogs in English and 50% of them in Dutch. But that is a really difficult decision to make, for me at least. So comment down below about what you think is, well, what you think would be a good ratio, if there even is a ratio. Because I could also do everything in English, but for me it's easier, of course, to speak Dutch, because now I have to think about what I want to say and translate it in my head, and then speak. But but in Dutch everything is, of course, a little bit easier. Speaking in your native language is not that difficult. That's just perfect, man. This is a fun road, and of course there has to be a horse trailer, damn, a horse trailer right in front of me. Yeah, okay. I hope he's going to go straight and I am going to go left. Come on, man. Ah, damn it! Please let me pass, man. Come on, he's taking 2 lanes. Okay, guess I'll stay here. So yeah, that was the goal for this channel. So comment down below regarding the language and the things you like to know. But let's go on to this bike. This is a Yamaha MT07. Come on, man. This is a 3rd generation MT07. So the one with the futuristic looking front headlight. Oh, really? And there's, well, this year they come out with another MT07 with a TFT screen. Well, I've seen it in real life and I've seen it in pictures, of course, and damn, that screen, that's the one, hunk of a screen that's kind of big. You know, when you look at that bike from the front, it really isn't that, you know, good to look at. It really isn't that pleasing to look at. I think this screen is a lot cleaner. It suits the bike, it's small. I like this one better, so that's cool. And if I need some Bluetooth connectivity or whatever function it offers, if I mount my phone on my quad lock, it's just as good, right? So I don't mind, I like this one. Let's watch out for the dogs. It's raining, man. There's a lot of dogs today. They said it wouldn't rain. It is raining. Always the same thing in here in Belgium. But yeah. So this bike is an MT07. I also rode the MT09 SP. Of course, that bike is a lot more powerful. But on the street, yeah, there's not that much difference, you know. I've done all types of riding, and also with some buddies of mine that are also in the MT Club Belgium. We've went on tracks, we went on group rides, and on the street, at least if you're riding legally, there's not that big of a difference. I can always keep up with them, you know, with the 09s. But on track, that's a different story. I'm gonna go right. Yeah, there we go. No, it's really a question about torque versus horsepower, you know. This one, it's a light bike. It's all about torque. The 09 has a lot more horsepower. So on track, on the straights, the MT09 pulls away like it's nothing, of course. But you can't do that on the street, so the torque makes up for the lack of horsepower on streets. This is one narrow road. I forgot how narrow it was. It is. Oh shit. Okay. So yeah, but another big difference between the MT09 SP and the MT07 is the suspension, of course. But not for this bike. I put O-lins on the front and O-lins on the back. This is an MT07 SP, look at that. Oh boy. I'm planning on doing a vlog about the suspension, because you know, what better way to review suspension than while riding it. I also rode this bike with a standard suspension for about a year, so I kinda know the difference between the two. There you go, yeah, sure, okay. So that is on the planning. And that's probably gonna be the next video in English. I'm gonna do a Dutch one first. Well, I'm gonna go first. It's a BMW. Oh, I love this bike, man. It accelerates so easily. That's the fun thing. You know, torque, it's really punchy. Main reason why I bought it. Also, it's a bit, oh, it's cost effective, you know, this bike. The cost of buying it, at least when I bought it a couple of years ago, was not very high. Also the maintenance, the gas, it's all the gas consumption will... Fuel consumption, there! It's alright. With this bike I can do about 300 kilometers if I am riding easily. Easily. It's not the right word. If I'm riding calmly. Let's call it calm. But realistically about 250 kilometers on a tank. And on the MT09 that is about 180 kilometers to 200, I've heard. So that is a big difference. Let's get to a place where I can stop and show you the bike. I'm gonna go right up in here. Is this legal? Doesn't say I can't go? Okay, then I can go. Man, it's raining. They said it wouldn't rain. Oh. Ah, this is not legal. Oop. That's only for bicycles. Well, it doesn't say that you can't go here. Or did I miss something? Ah well, this is a good spot to show the bike. I'm gonna stand right in the middle. There we go. Oh, I forgot this. How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna take my zoom out. That's my audio recorder. So excuse me if you'll hear some distortion. All the wires. There we go. Alright, so this is the bike I'm riding. You can see some of the upgrades. I really love how it looks, you know. I put the belly pan and the spoiler on it just for looks. I'm kind of materialistic, right? I don't know. I don't think I'm the only one, you know. A lot of motorcyclists put stuff on their bike just because of how it looks. That is kind of materialistic, isn't it? Look at that. There's one good looking bike. There's a shock. Nice yellow spring. Those are the cartridges. Very nice. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like and subscribe if you did. See you in the next one and ride safe.